Good afternoon. I'm going to work in University of Calgary today. It's a very beautiful spring day today. Temperature is somewhere between 12 to 15 degrees Celsius and full sun in the sky. It's so beautiful. Spring is here finally. Lot of people every now and then they make request. They want to see University of Calgary, so they want me to make a video so they can see. The reason is a lot of people from other cities or other countries, they want to come to Calgary for study. So like all the new students who are ready to go to the university, them and their parents, they never been to Calgary before, so they want to see Calgary, University of Calgary, so that they can make a decision which university they can send their kids. So that's why I'm making this video today, focusing on those new people, those students who wants to come to Calgary to study. University of Calgary is one of the topmost research-based university in Canada, and it established 54 years ago, 26th April 1966. University of Calgary, it has 14 faculties and 85 research institutes and centers. So it's a pretty good university, one of the top most university in Canada. Main campus of University of Calgary, situated in northwest quadrant of Calgary. It's very well connected with the transit, so the students, new students, if they want to, they don't need to use their own vehicle. They can use buses, trains, etc. to get to their class, to get to the campus and go home or their dormitory. Bike could be a good career in summertime. Students can go from one faculty to another faculty by the bikes. They have beautiful bike paths in Calgary, University of Calgary. Look out! There is a goose sitting on the roof. very open and spacious. Lrt Station right in the heart of University of Calgary. Name of the Lrt Station is called University Station. So it's good, it's beautiful and well connected with transit. So people, students can take the train and it's just 2 minutes walk inside the university. This is a Crowchild Trail, and that is the University Station. So I'm walking inside the station right now to show you how it looks like. I'm gonna take the train from there.